Welcome to our community, a dynamic ecosystem designed to reward your engagement, build your skills, and unlock exciting benefits. Your adventure begins with a free membership. Simply register and you will access a 7-day training course. As a task member, engage with tasks such as commenting, following members, and more. Earn your badges and coins. Unlock Task Membership 1 by completing your tasks, create content, and promote the brand to earn more. In Task Membership 2, promote UBJ merchandise through new tasks and earn rewards while representing the brand. For Task Membership 3, use a referral link to promote products and unlock new levels by selling UBJ shirts. Expand the community by recruiting new members and earn rewards through your efforts in Task Membership 4. In Task Membership 5, focus on boosting revenue through direct sales of products to other members for rewards. Unlock Premium Membership in Task Membership 6, where you gain access to exclusive benefits and training programs. No upfront costs. Start free and earn as you engage. The more you participate, the more you unlock. Ready to begin? Join now and start your rewarding journey.